Want to study in a country with world-class education, global exposure, and unforgettable experiences? Ireland is the ultimate study destination for students, one of the most student-friendly countries in the world, with amazing job opportunities. This video explains the Ireland student visa process in 5 easy steps. Let's get started. Ireland has 2 student visas, the C visa for courses under 90 days and the D visa for programs over 90 days. Most international students need the D visa, which allows full-time study and part-time work. To apply for an Ireland student visa, you must have a letter of enrollment from a recognized Ireland institution, admitted in a full-time course, and show proof of tuition fee payment. To apply for an Ireland student visa, you must submit all essential supporting documents. Take a screenshot of the document checklist displayed on the screen to ensure nothing is missed and stay prepared. For an Ireland student visa, students must show proof of funds, at least €10,000 to $12,000 per year for living expenses, plus tuition fees. Accepted proofs include bank statements, savings, fixed deposits, scholarships, or sponsorship letters. If supported by a sponsor, include their signed letter, ID, financial summary form, and a consent letter confirming expense coverage. Only liquid, verifiable funds are accepted. Here are 5 simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Apply online through the Automated Visa Application and Tracking System, or AVATS. Sign the declaration on the application form. For applicants under 18, a parent or guardian must sign. Finally, submit the completed AVATS application form. Step 2. The application summary form contains details on the visa fee payment method. Since payment methods and charges may vary, check the form carefully, pay the fee online, and then print the final summary form. Final form includes submission details and VFS appointment requirements. Step 3. Practice a few mock interviews before your VFS appointment. Dress formally and arrive at the visa center at least an hour early. Confidently meet the VFS officer with all your supporting documents. Some students may also be required to provide biometrics, fingerprints, and photo. All documents must be submitted as original hard copies. A visa officer may request additional information if needed. Step 4. Visa approval time usually takes 4 to 8 weeks, so apply immediately after receiving the letter of enrollment. Students can track their visa status online through the AVATS system or by contacting the Irish Embassy or Visa Office. Once approved, the visa will be stamped in the passport. Step 5. Once your visa and course start date are confirmed, book your flight to Ireland. At the airport, immigration officers will check your visa documents. Within 90 days of arrival, register with the Garda National Immigration Bureau to get your residence permit. It's your key to living and studying legally in Ireland. And don't forget to have valid health insurance for your entire course duration. Ireland student visa refusals usually happen due to weak financial proof, missing documents, unclear study purpose, poor academics, or issues like health, character, or past visa violations. Visa fees are non-refundable. If your visa is refused, the refusal letter will explain the reason and how to appeal. Appeals are free and must be submitted within 2 months. Studying in Ireland comes with a vibrant campus life, student services, and cultural activities. Students can work up to 20 hours per week during term and 40 hours during breaks. To keep your visa valid, attend your full-time course, maintain academic progress, and follow the allowed work hours. Your stay in Ireland usually lasts for your course duration, so plan to leave before your visa expires. To extend, renew your visa with proof of enrollment and funds, apply before it expires. After graduation, you can apply for a post-study work visa. After graduation, international students can join the 3rd level graduate scheme to work full-time in Ireland for up to 2 years, gaining experience and career opportunities. Eligible graduates can then apply for the Critical Skills Employment Permit, which targets high-demand jobs and can lead to permanent residency. So, that's the Ireland student visa journey. With the right preparation, students can look forward to world-class education and an exciting future here.